Shiba Inu just broke out of a crazy 675-day range, hitting levels that haven't been seen since 2021. Things are getting crazy. Soon, 1 million tokens might be worth a lot of money. You should not miss this movie if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you have Shib tokens. What's new with the Shiba Inu coins? What will happen to the value of Shiba Inu because of all this? Today in the video, I'll answer these questions and tell you about all the new information about Shiba Inu that will make them more valuable. There is a lot of information in this video that you should make sure you watch all the way to the end. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Let's look at the map and see what the price of Shiba is doing on March 4th before we turn our attention to our subject. The price of a Shiba Inu right now is about 2586 units. The price of Shib has gone up 19% in the last 24 hours. It has gone up over 60% in the last 30 days, and $4.1 billion worth of Shib has been traded in the last 24 hours. The token is also the 12th most expensive coin right now, with a market cap of over $15.25 billion. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. The information here is not financial advice. The video for today is now ready. If the price of Shiba Inu goes up by 11.04%, it will bring in a lot of money. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency with a dog theme, has caused 11.04% rise in big users' flows, which shows that money is going into whale addresses. Large investor outflows are often a sign of a lot of spending. So the current rise in the number of big buyers is happening at the same time as a huge 8-day price run for Shiba Inu, which reached a nearly 2-year high of 2,700 units today. On-chain data company SAM and shines a light on Shiba Inu's gain, naming Shib as the latest meme coin to rise in value, following Dogecoin, Bonk, Floki, and Pepe as the week comes to a close. The relationship between Shiba Inu and the security firm Zama to build a new network focused on privacy on top of the Shibarium blockchain was a big win for the company in February. It's the best year for Shiba Inu in 2 years. Shiba Inu prices went through the roof today, hitting an all-time high of 2,700 units, which hasn't been seen since April 2022. This is the breed's highest level in almost 2 years. On a price rise that started on February 2, bulls had gathered. 24 units up from a low of 934 units. This is the 8th day in a row that Shiba Inu prices have gone up. Prices went up a lot on March 1 and 2. Shiba Inu saw its biggest weekly rise ever, rising 170%. This was its best showing since October 2021, when it reached an all-time high of 8,800 units. Would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you were still watching. It doesn't cost you anything and really helps the channel out. But don't stop watching to find out what's new with Shiba Inu and what the coin's future might hold. Shiba Inu price goes up 170% in 8 days. Is the rise just beginning? The rise in Shib's price is due to more trades and the appearance of a positive turnaround pattern, which suggests that the price could go up even more. The recent rise in the price of Shib is also due to smart moves made by major players in the coin market on the blockchain. Notable events include a broker called 0x37D taking a large amount of Shib out of finance, which led to big gains after the price pump. Also, the founder of MakerDAO made a big purchase of Shib, which gave regular buyers even more faith in the asset. Additionally, a bank linked to a bit gained a lot of Shib in just 24 hours, strengthening its place as one of the biggest users of Shib. These smart moves by both institutional and individual investors show that people are becoming more optimistic about Shib's long-term prospects. Even though Shib's price has been going up lately, it may run into resistance at key levels, which could cause a small drop in the short term. But these kinds of dips are thought to be necessary for the asset to keep going up in the long term because they give owners a chance to get stronger before the price goes up again. As a positive sign for Shib, buyers make big gains. Meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has shown trading strength in the short term, driving the token to lose zero and continuing to rank among the best performing digital assets right now. This is due to generally positive market feelings. Before the current movement, Shib had been trading in a narrow range for a few weeks, as investors waited for a possible rise in light of important on-chain changes that would make the coin more useful. Investors are also making money since Shib's value has recently gone up. Finbold got information on March 3 from the crypto on-chain analysis platform into the block that showed 63% of present Shib users are making money, 32% are losing money, and only 5% have evened out their balance. 77% of the holders have had their Shib for more than a year, 20% have had theirs for between 1 and 12 months, and only 3% have had theirs for less than a year. An important measure of Shib is going up. Key indicators for the coin's environment have also gone up significantly, which is in line with the rise in Shib's price. For example, Shib was the third most traded cryptocurrency the other day after stablecoins. It was worth $4.2 billion in 24 hours. The gains have also happened at a time when Shib is seeing more social interactions. According to data from Lunar Crush, Shiba Inu's social interactions hit an all-time high in February, rising by plus 1520.6% and helping to start a new craze around meme cryptocurrencies. It's important to note that Shib's values are affected by more than just the mood of the market right now. For example, the ongoing growth of the network is said to have an effect on its values. In this line, removing extra tokens is still a key part of making Shib more useful. Shibburn, a Shiba Inu burn tracker, says that 643,656,418 Shib tokens were burned from 134 deals in February. This means that the activity has continued to speed up. It's now time for the video's main story. Shiba Inu's Shibarium sees a big increase in activity as the price of Shib finds a new norm. Shibarium, Shiba Inu's blockchain platform, has recently seen a huge increase in activity, which is a sign of a big change in the Bitcoin environment. Over the last 24 hours, the number of live Shibarium accounts doing deals has skyrocketed to 905, which is a huge 30% rise from the day before. Shibarium scan data shows that this rise seems to be mostly caused by more participation from people who already have Shibarium accounts, rather than a lot of new people signing up. There is a bigger trend going on here than just this rise in activity. The number of active users on Shibarium has grown by almost 40% in just the last 2 days in March. There are now an amazing 64,693 accounts and 1.365 million addresses in the ecosystem. Also, the number of transactions that happen every day on the network has hit a strong 2.34 million. If you're a fan of the Shib Army, please like the movie and subscribe to the station so that you can have all the latest Shiba news sent to you. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this video. The information here is not financial advice. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.